We are going to solve a pair of simultaneous linear equations using elimination method. We will be having a pair of equations and we have to find the values of the unknowns. You can say x and y. Okay, the first pair of equations is x plus y equals to 16, x minus y equals to 0. As you can see in both equations, in equation 1 and in equation 2, you have both x and y coefficient 1, and in equation 1 you have y positive and in equation 2 y is negative. So we can easily add these two equations, cancel positive y with negative y, and x plus x, 2x equals to 16. To find the value of x, 16 will be divided by 2 and the answer of x is 8. This answer of 8 can be put in any of the equations. I take the first equation and I put 8 plus y. Instead of x, I have taken 8 plus y equals to 16. Y equals to 16 minus 8, and the answer of y is also 8. Now the second question I have is 7x minus 3y equals to 15 and 11x minus 3y equals to 21. Now here you can see both x have different coefficients but both y having the same coefficient, but both y's are also having the same sign. So we cannot add them, we have to subtract them. When we have to subtract them, we shall change the signs. Positive 11 will become negative 11, minus 3y will become plus 3y, and similarly plus 21 or positive 21 will become negative 21. Now these signs which are in circles are no more and the new signs will be operated. Minus 3y plus 3y will cancel each other. 7x minus 11x. 7x minus 11x equals to 15 minus 21, or minus 4x equals to minus 6. Negative sign will definitely cancel negative sign, but we can have it like this, and now x equals to 3 over 2. We can put this value of x in any of the equations. I am going to put it in equation 1. X equals to 3 over 2, or you can take it as 1 whole 1 over 2. 7x, instead of x I have written 3 over 2 minus 3y as it is equals to 15. 21 over 2 minus 3y equals to 15. Minus 3y will remain here. 15 minus 21 over 2 minus 3y equals to, I shall make it 15 over 1 and multiply both with 2. Minus 21 over 2, 30 over 2 minus 21 over 2 minus 3y equals to 9 over 2, or y equals to minus 9 over 6, or you can say minus 3 over 2, and the solution set x, y will be 1 whole 1 over 2 minus 3 over 2 is 1 whole 1 by 2, positive 1 whole 1 by 2x, and negative 1 whole 1 by 2 y. The next question which I have chosen for you is 7x minus 2y equals to 17 and 3x plus 4y equals to 17. You can observe that the constant term is same, but it doesn't matter. Both x have different coefficient, but both y's have different, but one is the multiple of the other. So we shall multiply the first equation with 2 and the second equation will remain as it is. Okay, when we shall multiply the entire equation 1 with 2, we shall have 14x, 7 2s are 14x, minus 4y equals to 17 2s are 34. The second equation will come now here, 3x plus 4y equals to 17. Now y have same coefficient but with opposite sign. We shall add. Minus 4y will cancel positive 4y. 17x equals to 7 and 4 11, 3 and 1 4 5 51, and the value of x will be 51 over 17, that is 3. 17 multiplied by 3 is 51, so the value of x is 3. Now to find y, I am again taking the first equation. I can also take the second equation, but 7 multiplied by 3 minus 2y equals to 17, minus 2y equals to 17. 7 3s are 21. 21 will go to the other side. It will be minus 21. Minus 2y equals to minus 4. Y equals to minus 4 over minus 2. Y will be, and the solution set is x comma y is 3 comma 2, or you can have x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Usually we take x first and y after x. Okay, the next question I have taken is 7x minus 3y equals to 18, 6x plus 7y equals to 25. You can observe both y's are having different coefficients, both x are having different coefficients. We can make the coefficient of y same as 3 7s are and 7 3s are, that is the LCM of 3 and 7. Or we can make the coefficient of x same, 7 multiplied by 6 and 6 multiplied by 7, that is 42. Okay, I am going to make the coefficient of y same, multiply first equation with 7 and multiply second equation with 3. I will have 7 7s are 49x minus 7 3s are 21y, 18 7s are 7 8s are 56, 7 1s are 7, 8 9 10 11 12, and now this equation with 3 6s are 18x plus 7 3s are 21y, 25 3s are 75. We can easily add them. Minus 21 cancel 21y, 49 plus 18, 8 and 9, 17, 4 1 5 6 equals to 6 and 5 11, 2 and 1 3 and 7 10, 1 and 1 2 201. X will be 201 over 67. 67 3s are 67, let's check, 3s are, yes, 67 3s are 21. Okay, now the value of x is 3. This time I am going to put in equation 2. The value of x is 3. Take this 6 3s are 18 to the other side. This is positive here. On the other side it's negative. 7y equals to 18 and 7 25. Y will be 7 over 7. Y equals to 1. The pair will be 3 comma 1. Okay, the next equation is pair of equations is 2x plus 0.4y equals to 8. 5x minus 1.2 is 9. You can observe that there is a decimal coefficient in it. I can make these two 10 as 2 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 2. But right now I am going to multiply the first equation with 3 to make it 1.2, and I shall keep my second equation as it is. Okay. 0.4 multiplied by 3, 3 4s are 12, 12 with one decimal place is 1.2. This is for your convenience. Okay, 3 2s are 6x, 3 4s are 12, 1.2y, 8 3s are 24. Second equation as it is, both have y's have opposite sign. I think you know we are going to add. Plus 1.2y cancel minus 1.2y, 6 plus 5 11x equals to 24 plus 9 33. X equals to 33 over 11, that is 3. This time I am again taking the second equation to find the value of y. 5 into 3, the value of x, minus 1.2y equals to 9, minus 1.2y equals to 9 minus 15. 9 minus 15 is minus 6. As 15 is bigger with the negative sign, so our answer will be negative. They have opposite sign, we have to subtract. Okay. Now when minus 1.2 will come to this side, negative sign cancel with negative sign. Multiply numerator as well as denominator with 10, as it is one decimal place, so you can write it as 60 over 12, and 60 over 12 is 5. So your y is 5. Solution set x and y 3 and 5. Okay, this is a pair of equations, but he has written the pair in this form. You can easily convert it into the other form like this: 5x minus 3y equals to 2 and x plus 5y equals to 6. Now you know you can make the both x same as multiply the second equation with 5, or you can make the both y same by multiplying first equation with 5 and second with 3. Okay, this is another type, another pair of equations, and what he has done, he has taken 11x plus 4y equals to 12, and in the second equation minus 4y plus 9x equals to 8. What we are going to do, we are just going to arrange them as first equation as it is, but the second equation rearrange it like this, and now you can easily solve. Another way to give the question, you just have to cross multiply and bring it into standard form. What we are going to do, 4 multiplied by x plus 1, denominator with the numerator, equals to 3 multiplied y plus 2. Open it, 4x plus 4 equals to 3y, 3 2s are 6. 4x as it is, 3y will come to this side, will become negative. 6 will remain here, 4 will go to that side, negative. 4x minus 3y is equals to 2, the first equation in standard form. Here 5 multiplied by x minus 2, 3 multiplied by y minus 1, denominator with the numerator and this denominator with that numerator. Multiply 5x, 5 2s are 10, 3y minus 3 1s are 3, 5x as it is, 3y will come to this side, will become negative, minus 3 as it is, minus 10 will go to the other side, will become positive. 5x minus 3y equals to 7. This is the second equation. Now after having these two equations, you can easily subtract these two equations, as both y's are having same coefficient but with opposite sign. So I shall make it positive. I shall make this positive 5x negative and positive 7 negative. So when I shall subtract, minus 3y will cancel positive 3y. 4x minus 5x will give you single x negative. 2 minus 7 will give you negative 5 and x will be 5. X is 5. You can put it in any of the equations. I take the first equation. I put the value of x as 5. 4 5s are 20. 20 will go to the other side. It will become negative 20. Minus 3y equals to minus 18, as 20 is bigger and 2 is smaller with positive sign. We shall subtract. Y will be minus 18 over 3 minus 3, that is 6. The solution set x, y will be 5 and 6. The last question which I am going to discuss with you, again we are going to bring it into standard form. Okay, 4, how much are 8? So this x will also be multiplied with 2. Minus 3 over 8y can be written as 3y over 8 equals to 3. After making the denominators same, we can subtract the numerators. 2x minus 3y is equals to, this 8 will go to the other side, or in other words, cross multiplication. 8 3s are 24. This is the standard form of first equation. Similarly here, 3 and 2 LCM is 6. 3 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 2. 5x multiplied by 2. 5 over 3x can be written as 5x over 3, and similarly y over 2 will become like this. Okay, now 5 2s are 10x over 6, 3y over 6, denominator same, take numerators on one fraction, 6 will go there, and you will have 10x minus 3y equals to 72. This is the second equation. These are the two equations which we have just found. Y's are same with opposite sign, so we are going to subtract. Negative 3y will become positive, positive 10 will become negative, positive 72 will become negative. We shall have minus 8x equals to minus 72, 24, minus 48. 24 is smaller with positive sign, 72 is bigger with negative sign. We shall subtract. 12 minus 4 is 8, 6 minus 2 is 4. X equals to minus 48 over minus 8. Negative sign will cancel negative sign. 8 6 are 48. To find the value of y, we shall use these equations. We shall not go to the original equations, as original equations is now in standard form, so we will not use the original equations. Minus 3y equals to 24, 6 2s are 12 here with negative sign. Minus 3y equals to 12. After subtracting, y equals to 12 over minus 3, that is minus 4. So the pair will be xy 6 and minus 4. This is the elimination method for two simultaneous linear equations.